Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update. Now, the big picture story here is the outlook has changed from bullish to bearish on the daily cloud since price action in the DAX is now below the cloud, and now the bottom end of the cloud, this level here, is now the new resistance zone. So for the DAX, the outlook to change back to bullish, the price action needs to be back above the top end of the cloud here. So the outlook has changed from bullish to bearish on the daily. We've had a tremendous run in the DAX, and now it seems like somewhat rolling over. There's an Ichimoku cloud chart signal right at the top in the cloud. So sell signal is generally a strong signal if it's above the cloud. We now have a bearish outlook on the Xetra Dax on the daily. Now, if we look at the weekly, we can see the front end of the cloud levels are being tested now for support. These front end cloud level there, 55.26, that support zone. We need to see a rebound there, and as well as the standard line of the cloud there is also a key support level. But there's downside risk to these levels at the top end of the cloud here. So we're not out the woods yet, yeah. The outlook is still okay on the daily, on the weekly, because price is still above the cloud. But we've had a MACD sell signal in that base forming pattern of the DAX. So there is some downside risk in the Xetra Dax further. If we don't regain support back above the top end of the cloud this week, then the Xetra Dax is at risk of dropping further. Now, key levels to watch out for to the downside is this cloud chart shadow level at 15.311, and this top end cloud level here at 15.129. So those are the key levels to watch out for. And then a significant down level here would be these levels here at the bottom in the cloud, as well as a major line in the sand would be this bottom end cloud chart support level. So those are the downside risk steps, so to speak. But we do expect the DAX to rally back up and test this resistance levels, and to see how strong that resistance level is. But there is some significant downside risk on the DAX. Outlook is now bearish on the DAX. Turning to the 4-hour chart, gives you a little bit more feel what's happening intraday. There was a sell signal up here. Another sell signal when it crossed through the cloud chart support level there. The outlook changed from bullish to bearish since price action is now below the cloud. We're still bearish on the DAX on the 4-hour chart. And we can see these cloud chart levels there. That 15.431 is a key support level, which now might act as a resistance if we don't regain control of that. The DAX really needs to be back above this top end cloud chart level there. That is a key resistance zone now on the way down, with these downside support targets as downside risk targets, so to speak. But bearish on the 4-hour, bearish on the daily, and still somewhat bullish on the weekly. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.